This hidden YouTube AI niche is going to blow up. Start today. Stop scrolling. Seriously. What if I told you that right now, a hidden corner of YouTube's AI world is quietly set to explode? This isn't about AI art or basic ChatGPT tutorials. This is a specific, untapped AI niche that is about to create the next wave of faceless YouTube millionaires. And you can start today. For too long, creating quality YouTube content has been a grind. You needed to film, edit, write, and record. It was exhausting. And the AI channels, you see, they're all chasing the same saturated trends. But the secret to YouTube's success has always been finding a massive audience with a minimal barrier to entry. This hidden niche checks all those boxes. It's low effort, high value, and almost zero competition right now. Stick with me, because I'm going to reveal what the niche is, why it's blowing up, and the simple, systematic process you need to start your channel this week. Revealing the hidden niche. The niche is AI-generated personalized story narratives. Now, don't confuse this with generic short stories. We're talking about taking real-world, high-engagement source material and transforming it into compelling, long-form narrated videos using AI. The core concept is AI-enhanced storytelling that capitalizes on a niche's existing, passionate community. Think of things like in-depth, narrated case studies from business or psychology forums, historical what-if scenarios visualized and narrated, or, one of the most powerful, transforming complex Reddit threads like Ask Reddit or Am I the A-hole into cinematic, fully voiced, and visually consistent videos. These communities are obsessed with this content, and the barrier to creating this quality used to be immense. Not anymore. Why it's going to blow up? Now, this is why the niche is exploding. First, voice clone and text-to-speech quality. We are now at a point where AI voiceovers are indistinguishable from professional human narrators. This eliminates the need for expensive voice artists or you having to record your own voice. The new AI voices are natural, consistent, and emotion-aware. This is the key to that. No extras, no cutting voiceover you need. The voice is perfect from the first word. Second, the systemization of visuals. You can now use AI image and video generators to create a consistent, branded visual style for your channel. Think about it. A specific stylized character for the main protagonist in a story, or a unique visual theme for a historical series. This gives your channel a signature look that is fast to produce and incredibly sticky with viewers. Third, perfecting the script flow. The AI tools are getting better at structuring narratives with natural pauses, rhythm, and flow. Your script, like this one, is designed for a systematic read. Clear headings, short, punchy paragraphs, and a conversational flow mean the voiceover, whether AI or human, comes out perfectly timed and engaging. The systematic blueprint. Start today. The system to launch this channel is simple and repeatable. Step 1. Niche source mining. Find a high-engagement source of compelling narratives, a specific subreddit, a collection of public domain historical letters, or a unique business case study forum. You need endless, high-quality material. Step 2. AI script enhancement. Take the source material and use AI to transform it into a professional, YouTube-ready script. This means adding a powerful hook in the first 30 seconds, building natural cliffhangers throughout, and formatting the script for perfect voiceover pacing, just like this one. Step 3. Flawless voice generation. Use a high-end text-to-speech tool. Once the script is final, you generate the entire full-length voiceover in one go. This ensures a perfect, seamless, no-cut audio track. Step 4. Consistent visual loop. Create a custom, branded visual style using AI image generators. You don't need a new, complex video for every line. You need a series of highly stylized, high-quality images or seamless loops that provide visual context and keep the viewer engaged without distracting them from the powerful narrative. Return to the energetic, call-to-action tone. This is not a trend that will last 6 months. Storytelling is the most powerful content on YouTube, and AI is simply the ultimate production tool for it. The window to establish yourself in this niche before it becomes saturated is closing, but it is still wide open right now. Your challenge is to take this systematic blueprint, find your compelling story source, create your seamless script, generate your flawless voiceover, and add your consistent visuals, and launch your first video this week. Stop consuming and start creating. The next faceless AI empire is waiting to be built. What story source are you going to use for your very first video? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, friend.